Welcome to a muddy ocean adventure where sea animals are covered in mud and need your help to get clean. From the tiniest fish to the largest whales, we'll wash them and learn amazing facts about how they live, swim, and survive in the deep blue sea. Let's begin our underwater fun together. 1. Lobster. Lobsters are crustaceans that live on the ocean floor. They have strong claws used for defense and catching food. Lobsters can grow very large and can live for more than 50 years. Two, crab. Crabs have a hard shell and 10 legs. They walk sideways and use their big claws to protect themselves and break open food like shells and small fish. 3. Shark. Sharks are powerful predators with sharp teeth and an incredible sense of smell. There are more than 500 types of sharks, and they've been swimming in the oceans for over 400 million years. Four, walrus. Walruses are huge sea mammals with long tusks and whiskers. They use their tusks to pull themselves onto ice and to fight off predators. Walruses live in cold Arctic regions. 5. Gourami. Gourami are freshwater fish that can breathe both air and water. They are colorful and peaceful fish, often seen in aquariums. Male gouramis make bubble nests for their babies. 6. Whale shark. Whale sharks are the largest fish in the ocean, growing up to 40 feet long. Despite their size, they are harmless and eat only tiny plankton by filtering water through their wide mouths. 7. Turtle. Sea turtles have been on Earth for millions of years. They have strong shells and can swim long distances. Females return to the same beach every few years to lay eggs. 8. Dolphin. Dolphins are very intelligent marine mammals. They use sounds and clicks to communicate and can swim at high speeds. Dolphins often travel in groups called pods. 9. Hammer shark. Hammerhead sharks have heads shaped like hammers, which help them see in all directions. They hunt stingrays and small fish hiding in the sand. 10. Squid. Squids are soft-bodied animals with 10 arms. They can shoot ink to escape from danger, and some species glow in the dark deep in the ocean. 11. Seahorse. Seahorses are tiny and delicate sea creatures. The male seahorse carries the babies in a pouch on his belly until they are ready to be born. 12. Fish. Fish come in thousands of species and live in both salt and fresh water. They use gills to breathe and have scales covering their bodies. 13. Seal. Seals are playful animals that live in cold oceans. They have strong flippers for swimming and thick layers of fat called blubber to stay warm. 14. Stingray. Stingrays are flat sea animals with long tails. They hide under sand on the seafloor and flap their wings to glide through the water. Marlin are large, fast-swimming fish known for their pointed, sword-like noses. They can leap out of the water and swim at high speeds to catch prey. 16. Octopus. Octopuses are smart sea creatures with 8 arms. They can change color, squirt ink, and fit through tiny holes to escape from danger. 17. Blue whale. The blue whale is the biggest animal ever to live on Earth. It can grow longer than 90 feet and eats tons of tiny krill every day. 18. Starfish. Starfish are not really fish. They have 5 arms, sometimes more, and can regrow them if lost. They use tiny tube feet to move slowly across the ocean floor. 19. Squid. Squids move by jetting water out of their bodies and can swim very fast. They have 2 long tentacles to catch food and sharp beaks to eat.